Hello, today we are going to learn how to install Adobe Illustrator in your laptop. You need to go to the desktop of your computer and have a look on the top bar on the right. You need to click on this icon to search, and then you need to type self-service. Okay, this is a special tool to help you install the software made available from our school. Then you need to click the enter button to launch the search. Now you are inside the self-service tool. Okay, first of all, you need to go in this window on the bottom left corner. Okay, and you need to log in using your school account. I already did it, so you can see my name here. But if you need to do it, you just need to put your email of the school and the password. And then you need to open this window again. Then you need to go here on this list and then search for all software. Okay, here. Or you can find the list Adobe. Okay, and you need to install Adobe Suite Collection. Okay, or if your situation is different, you need to try to find directly the name of the software here, Illustrator. I already installed the software, so I'm not able to find it. But you need to install Adobe Suite Collection. It requires nearly 10 minutes. And then ask me to follow the next steps. Thank you.